If you want to set up your Samsung Galaxy A36, it's quite easy to do. First of all, we are to press start right here. It flashes in many languages, so open it up. Now choose the preferred language. I'll choose English. You may choose any other one. Press next. Now you have to give agree to end user license agreement, and you have to agree or not agree. It's optional to the sending of diagnostical data. Let's press next. Now you can set up with other device, older device if you have some. However, I will press set up manually. So now you have to choose a Wi-Fi network. So choose the network which you know a password to and enter your password. You can always press this eye icon to make it visible. Press connect. Great, now let's press next. So now you can transfer SIM from other phone or simply insert a SIM. However, I'll press set it up later in settings. Now you can copy apps and data from your older Google account if you need to. I'll press don't copy. So now you have to sign in. You can always skip this step. However, I recommend you to sign in so your phone will be working correctly. Enter your email. Press go. Now enter your password. Press next. Now choose who will be using this device, you or your child. Press I agree. You need to agree to the Google Terms of Service. Now you have to choose how to protect your phone. So you can set up a PIN, password, pattern, fingerprints, or face recognitions, or you can skip this step for now. I'll skip it for now. So now you have to agree to some Google services. You can turn on backup or don't turn it on for now. I won't turn it on for now. Now you have to choose your browser and search engine. Press next. So choose a desired browser. Press set as default. Choose a search engine. Press set as default. Press continue. You can use your Hey Google from the default if you need to. I'll turn it on. Now give your phone a couple minutes to be loaded up. So now you will be prompted to sign in into your Samsung account. You can do that now, or you can press that you don't have an account and sign in later. I'll press setup later in settings. Now once again we have to give all the necessary permissions for our legal information. Choose your display mode, light or dark. I'll choose it as a light one. And we're all set up. Let's press home. And now we can enjoy our new setup phone. And I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.